So, project number one, new to the Buffheads build yard. This here I picked up pretty cheap, and it's going to be perfect for a donor car for that one there. So this is a st185 1993 model with a 5S FE. I don't need motor, don't need gearbox. The whole reason I bought this car was just for bits and pieces that one's missing. So I'll show you in a sec, but we've got nice, neat, clean interior. In really good nick. Car itself's not in bad condition. Motor's got a blown head gasket, but that's no worry, I don't need that anyway. All the rubbers are in good condition. Car's a bit grubby, needs a good wash. So this is what all those parts will be going into. So this is a 1991 st185 GT4 Celica. I bought this many years ago as a project, and we've only really just been able to start sort of getting to it now. I do have the motor and gearbox. They're currently in the shed getting torn down for rebuild. We've already changed the front bumper over from this one to here. I really like this front bumper. There's a lot of stuff needed on this. We're going to do the whole lot. We're going to interior swap, front end suspension and brake swap. Obviously the 3S GTE is going to be going back in with some aftermarket goodies. And the interior of this thing's pretty ordinary. When I bought it, it was stripped out for a race car. So the interior of this thing's pretty rough. Probably got quite a bit of stuff missing, but we'll work that out as we pull this other car apart, the st184. Swap over what we need to swap over. But yeah, she's pretty rough inside here. But you know, the goal is to get this one fixed up, restored, and back on the road. So project number one.